Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about Levipil Syrup. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Ltd. Levipil Syrup. Uses. Levipil syrup is primarily used for the treatment of epilepsy and seizures. It helps control different types of seizures, including myoclonic, partial onset, and generalized tonic-clonic seizures. Benefits. Levipil syrup belongs to a group of medicines called anticonvulsants. It works by slowing down abnormal electrical activity in the brain, helping to prevent seizures. This medication can also help reduce symptoms like confusion, uncontrollable jerking movements, loss of awareness, fear, and anxiety. Side effects. While Levipil syrup is effective in controlling seizures, it may cause some side effects. Common side effects include sleepiness, dizziness, fatigue, headache, decreased appetite, nasal congestion, and irritation. Some patients may experience behavioral changes such as aggression, agitation, or mood swings. If you notice any severe side effects, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Levipil syrup exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use. Measure the correct dose using a measuring cup and take it by mouth. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time every day for optimal results. How it works? Levipil syrup is an antiepileptic medication that attaches to specific sites in nerve cells called SV2A. This action suppresses abnormal nerve activity in the brain and prevents the spread of electrical signals that cause seizures.